Hello, my name is Chris Minogue. I'm the Internet Manager here for Acura of Limerick. Today we're going to be talking about the 2019 Acura TLX. This is the V6 with technology package. The first thing you're going to notice is our diamond pentagon front grille with our dual eye LED headlights. You have your alloy wheels. Built into the side mirrors are your turn signals. The side mirrors are adjustable and breakable in both directions. The vehicle is equipped with keyless entry system. So essentially, you just put your hand inside the door, as long as the key is with you. It'll unlock the door by pressing this little button right here. It'll lock all the doors for you. Now that's good for any one of our doors because this has the four-way access, keyless entry. The first thing you're going to notice is the power passenger seat with your blind spot monitoring system. Coming over here, you have your heated and air conditioned vents with your two cup holders in the second row. Let's go ahead and take a look at the trunk. You do have your 3-stage backup camera, your wide angle, your normal angle, and directly to the ground just by touching a button. And speaking of buttons, one touch button to release the trunk as long as the key is with you or the door is unlocked. You have a 60/40 trunk, fold down seats, easy access for larger storage and cargo area. This right here is a beautiful storage compartment that you can put your groceries and other things, as well as your tire inflator kit. Coming over here, the TLX is going to get 20 miles to the city, 31 on the highway, and like I said, this is for the V6 front-wheel drive model. Let's go ahead and take a look at the driver's seat where you're going to be spending most of your time. You have your memory seats right here. All of your power windows and locks are all right here. You have your leg extenders with your multi-way seat with lumbar support. The vehicle is also equipped with Acura Watch. Acura Watch is going to give you your road departure mitigation, your collision mitigation braking system, your lane keep assist, your adaptive cruise control. Then you also have your traction control right here. You have your gas tank release and trunk release right here. The vehicle also has automatic headlights, automatic high beams, automatic rain sensing wiper blades as well. All your controls are all built into the steering wheel. You have your paddle shifters. There's two screen displays. The top screen is going to be for your navigation, your basic cell phone controls, your information, and last but not least, the smartphone button. The smartphone button will enable you for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Once you hook the vehicle up with your cell phone, connected through that USB port right there, you'll be able to display your cell phone up top there. You have all of your push button controls are all right here. The vehicle is also equipped with dynamic mode. You have Econ, Normal, Sport, and Sport Plus. Then you have your electronic parking brake and your brake hold. The full radio screen, which is the second screen on the system, you have all one touch. You just press it right here to lower the temperatures and raise the temperatures. Same thing with the heated seats, or you can touch here. It's a full touchscreen radio. Same thing with the radio, and then you have your knob right here. The vehicle is also equipped with a CD player with a built-in hard drive. You can burn your music CDs right to the hard drive. You have your Acura Link right here. You have your 3 garage door openers, sunroof, and electrochromatic mirror. Guys, thanks for watching and have a great day.